Changing your tire, explained in a minute. Find a safe place to change your tire. Turn on your hazard lights. Apply the hand brake and put the vehicle in park if it's an automatic or in gear if it's a manual. Put the warning triangle on the road behind your vehicle. Take out the jack and the spare tire. Using the lug wrench, loosen the lug nuts counterclockwise until you break their resistance. Use your foot if necessary, but don't remove them completely yet. Identify the correct jacking point and place a jack under the car. Slowly and smoothly raise your car. Remove all the lug nuts completely. Remove the flat tire and place the spare tire into position, and lift the spare wheel on the hub. Tighten the lug nuts following a diagonal pattern to center the wheel. Lower the car to the ground fully and remove the jack. Further tighten the wheel nuts with your wrench and replace the wheel cover.